Opener since '99 against Miami, third longest streak in the AP poll era, which dates back to 1936. Longer than Alabama, who can push theirs to 20 on Saturday against Miami. Tennessee plays game number 1 under Josh Heupel. We will get to that in a minute, which means UCF begins its new era. They got a coach from the SEC in Gus Malzahn, who was fired by Auburn. Auburn hired Brian Harsin from Boise. So this UCF-Boise matchup had a whole lot of overlap. Also had a whole lot of lightning, which meant that the bounce house had to empty out for a while. Game delayed by lightning for 2 hours and 45 minutes. But when UCF got going, Dillon Gabriel and the very talented offense goes right down the field, and then that is just a horrific pass from Gabriel right to Tyreek LaBeouf. Got some blockers. Look at Boise. They're about to be down a touchdown. Instead, they're playing a fight song and celebrating after the 100-yard touchdown. Boise up on the road 7-0, and all Malzahn can do is yell and point. We don't throw it to that team. Boise keeps their foot on the gas. 3rd and 5. Hank Bachmeier, Khalil Shakir. What a run. Breaks one tackle. Breaks another. Stays on his feet. What a block. Gets to the outside. Lowers his shoulder. Boise's on the road up 21-0. But UCF fights back. They got a touchdown right before the half. That was huge. And then with the first drive of the second half, Gabriel, Jalen Robinson, beautiful pass, beautiful grab. Later in the drive, 3rd and 6, Gabriel, Brandon Johnson. Lousy pass that was the pick 6. That's perfect. And it's a 3-point deficit. Minute left in the 3rd. Gabriel, Robinson again. And that is pure. UCF leads for the first time as they've scored 28 of the next 31 points scored in the game. Middle of the 4th. UCF lead in the ball. There's LaBeouf again. This was not a pick 6, but it's still a good return. That sets up Boise with an opportunity to take the lead back about midway through the 4th. Bachmeier, Shakir again. Another clever run, reads the blocks. Has a nose for the end zone. Boise up 1. UCF, Isaiah Bowser went for 170 on the ground. They're back out in front, charge on. Obviously, you go for 2 in this situation, but they didn't get it. Ensuing Boise possession, it's 3rd and 4. Bachmeier, can he get it with his legs? Oh, you can't throw back across your body to the middle of the field. He's picked by Dylan Lester. They'd actually get the ball back after a pump, but there wasn't a whole lot of time to do anything, and UCF and Gus Malzahn get the victory. From down 21-0, UCF matches the largest comeback in school history. They did it in 2013 against Louisville and '84 against Illinois State. It's the largest comeback in Gus Malzahn's head coaching career, more than the previous of 15, which came against Oregon in 2019. As for Tennessee, Josh Heupel, who left UCF, where he was 28-8. Now in Knoxville, they're taking on Bowling Green, block T, checkerboard.
Doesn't get much better.
No, man, that's as sexy as college football gets. Joe Milton, the Michigan transfer, right down the field against the Bowling Green team they're expected to beat easily, and it's 7-0. Second drive of the game for the Vols. Jabari Small runs through the tackle. Thursday night, 14 points in the first 8 minutes of the game. 3rd quarter now, after the offense slowed down a bit and it was closer than maybe Vols fans were expecting it to be, Milton once again takes it in. It's 21-6. Now it's 31-6. Milton's just standing like a statue in the pocket. He's got all day. Deep. Looks like it might get picked. Instead, Cedric Tillman makes a spectacular grab. 3 total touchdowns for Milton. They actually had a chance late. Would have been significant to some. Tennessee gets the win. Still to come, busy Thursday night in college football. Includes a couple of home openers for teams ranked in the top 25. Our guy Mel Kiper Jr. drops by. He's got a first look at some names he believes will hear their name called in the spring. And after a biblical rest, I'm ready, willing and able to hand out winners. That's on the way.